Hi, so this is my short reflection from the active listening session. So, my first question: what I discovered about myself? I realized that I often put myself under pressure with exams, deadlines, and work, but when I slow down and really focus, I can manage challenges better than I thought. Next question would be one thing I practiced. In my practice conversation, I focused on just listening without interrupting and tried paraphrasing back what the other person said. The third question would be what difference it made. It made a conversation feel more meaningful. My friend told me that felt really heard, and I always also noticed I understood their feelings more clearly. That encouraged me to be more calmer and more present. And the final thing, when I asked my teammate Vidusha if she felt heard, she said yes. She felt I really understood her point. That feedback motivated me to keep practicing active listening. So, in conclusion, this exercise taught me the power of listening, and I want others to experience me as reliable, calm, and supportive.